Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft for free on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First, go to your web browser and search for Minecraft. I'm here. You will follow the first link given by Minecraft, which is minecraft.net. Now, if you click on this Get Minecraft at the top right, it will ask you how you want to play. So you need to select your platform. So if I select computer now, it will ask you to buy the game. You can see. But if you want to download it for free, click on the top left, click on game, and go to Minecraft. And here we have this option, try it for free. So you need to click on it. And right here, if you click on Windows, or maybe Android or PlayStation, it will take you again to the paid version of Minecraft. So you just need to scroll down and click on Download Now. A Minecraft installer will be downloaded. So you just need to download this installer. Now you simply have to check the terms of use and click on Install. And it will be installed on your computer. Here's how you can download Minecraft for free on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.